Section 8. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is J. J for jump. I want you to find the letter J on page 8 in your book. Page 8 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound J. Say the sound and words after me. J. J for jacket. J for jersey. Let's read it again. J for jacket. J for jersey. We are now going to practice writing the sound J. I want you to put your pointing finger on the first J. I'm now going to show you how to write the sound J. We start at the tummy of the kitty cat in the middle line. We go down to the tail and round. We make a hook and put a dot. I'm going to show you again. We go to the middle line, straight down. We make a hook at the bottom, at the tail line, and we add a dot. I want you to trace it with your finger. Don't forget the dot. Now take a crayon and trace the first J. Now that we have traced the first letter J, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second J. I'm going to show you how to write the J. All the way down, round and a hook. Go to the top in the middle and put your dot. The dot is in the kitty cat's head, the middle of the head space. Take your finger and trace over the J. And then take your crayon and trace the second J. Now that you have traced the second J, we are going to the last J. Put your finger on the last J. I'm going to show you and then you're going to trace it with your finger. Start at the neck, round, give it a hook, touching the line at the bottom. Go back up to the line where the kitty cat's head is and put a dot in the middle, above the J. Trace it with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the last J. Let's read it again. J for jacket. J for jersey. Now that you have practiced writing the letter J, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the J, you can color in the little girl jumping. J for jump. The little girl can jump. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 9.